Hello everyone and welcome back to Fixing Tiny Tedious Things. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WordPress website from scratch. For that, I'm going to use Elementor. Actually, Elementor has launched a new plan which is called Cloud Website. I'm going to use that just to show you how it works. I have been using WordPress since 2012 and have built several websites for myself and for my clients over the years. Here's one of my websites that you are familiar with, which is topitguide.com. It is on WordPress, and for this I have used Astra theme plus the number one drag and drop plugin Elementor. So here's the home page which was built using Elementor. See how it looks like. So through this video I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor as well, because the plan which I'm going to use here is Elementor's cloud website, and it comes with a pre-activated Elementor Pro license. So we will talk about it later, but first of all, let's see another website which I have built using the same combination, which is called python-coursesonline.com. This was also built using Elementor and one free theme, Ocean WP. Here you can see this also looks great. So through this video I'm going to show you how you can also build a website using Elementor cloud website. For these two websites I used Hostinger and GoDaddy respectively, and both of them worked well, but there are so many things that I have to do. I first have to procure the domain name, then I have to choose the hosting, and then several other things. So I have to go back and forth between the services. But with Elementor cloud website you get everything included inside a same single subscription, and that subscription, it costs you around $99 per year, nothing more. There is no hidden charges. So here you can see this is that cloud platform or the plan which I'm talking about, which was launched recently. So we are on elementor.com features/cloud, and here you can read your complete solution for creating websites. Get a cloud website. Let's do that and first read what you get with it. So here's what you get: Elementor cloud website with hosting built in. You get Google Cloud Platform powered web hosting with Elementor, and then you also get CDN by Cloudflare Content Delivery Network. They have 200 plus locations from where they deliver your content to your visitors so that your website loads fast and your users get the right experience, which is very good. You also get to connect your custom domains with this, which means you can connect any of your domains with this hosting. But if you don't want to use that, you can always go ahead with their own extension, which is elementor.cloud, and in front will be your own URL or whatever the keyword you want to use inside that URL. But everyone wants their own branded website, and that's why we are all here. So I'll be showing you how to connect the custom domain using the same in later part of this video. Now let's select CMS tool. These are the tools that you get with the cloud website of Elementor. And here you see WordPress pre-installed, which is pretty good. You get pre-installed WordPress website with Elementor cloud. You don't have to go ahead inside your hosting and then download the WordPress to get started. You get it pre-installed with Elementor cloud website, which saves you a lot of time. Now here is the best part: Elementor Pro features. With this subscription you also get Elementor Pro, which is pretty good. Here you can see enjoy total design freedom with Elementor Pro editing features. It is built in and includes all widgets, templates, website kits and more. And then Hello theme is free theme. It is included inside every Elementor cloud website that you go ahead with. And the other stuff that you want to read, you can read by scrolling down. You get SSL certificate, daily backups, site log, and still if you have any questions you can always refer to the FAQ section. Every question has an answer. If you still don't find any answer, you can simply comment down below. I'll answer all your questions. So enough of that, you can refer to it, but let's now go ahead and get started. Let's click on get a cloud website. Let's click on buy now, and here you need to supply your information. Since I have the account with Elementor, I'll just go ahead and click on login. Okay, and I'll finish these formalities and get back to you. Alright, so I have bought the plan. Here you can see, thank you for your purchase, Pankaj. We have sent an email with the next steps to my email ID. I can simply go ahead and now click on start creating your website. So here's what they ask you once you are done with the purchase and you click on start creating your website. So you can give your website a name here. So we have a restaurant here, so I'll be using that, Sharma Food Corner, and click on next. So my domain will look like this, which is of course with the extension .elementor.cloud. Don't worry, it will be changed. I will be adding a custom domain later on. So here it is. Your website domain will be this for now. Click on got it, and click on next. Now from here you can select the type of websites you want. Here you have a choose a website kit to start with. When I have all types, food and drink, all levels, these are the results that I got. So let's see what looks like the brand I have. This one is pretty good. Let's start with this kit. Here you can see this might take a second. We can simply edit the pre-built template that we got here, and we'll make it look like our own brand. They are activating the Elementor Pro plugin on my dashboard. Now unboxing the drag and drop editor. They are applying a basic theme. Basically they are finishing up the steps we don't have to do manually, so you gotta wait for some time. 4 out of 4 steps are completed within minutes, so we are now waiting for the website to load so that we can go ahead and make the necessary changes before going live. Alright, tada, your site is ready. Check your email for details about signing in. Let's go. Okay, got it. So this is our dashboard and here is that website. Let's edit with Elementor, and let's also see how it looks in the front end. So here's that URL, sharmafoodcorner.elementor.cloud. Don't worry, we will change it to our own custom domain, but right now it looks like this. I can simply go ahead and edit these things to meet what I need so that it looks like my own brand. Each and everything you see over here can be changed. So if you take a look at the back end of the website, here is all the information that I showed you earlier as well. If you want to open the dashboard, you can open from here. You can edit straight from here. You can also manage the website from here. And if you see, we have a site lock on. It means that your website can't be accessed by anyone until this site lock is on, and it is a good practice. But if you still want to access it from somewhere outside your machine, you can still access it using a pin, and that pin is provided by us, the website owners. Get rid of the site lock when your website is ready to go live, and I'll show you how to get rid of the site lock in coming videos. But let's focus on the website that we have on hand. So here is the here is the status of the website for now. I went ahead and changed this main photo because this is the photo which is from our restaurant, and you can also see we have changed the title and this information. You can do that from your end as well, but first of all, the main thing which we have to do right now is change the site logo. Here you can see we don't have any logo here. To change the logo, you can go to these 3 lines, click on it, and then click on site settings. Once you are inside site settings, scroll down, and here you can see site identity, and choose the image of this dimension 350 into 100 pixels. I created that just now. So add logo first. So let's upload the new logo that I created. Okay, here it is. Always give a title and alt text for the photo that you add in your library. It is good for Google indexing. Okay, we have added the logo, and now we need to go ahead and update it. Your changes have been updated, it is saying that. So let's go back. From here you can change the global colors of the website. If you want to change the global colors around this website, you can do that from here. Okay, system colors, custom colors, everything is here. If you want to add your own color, you can add from here, but I'll keep it as is because they are pretty much what I want. From here you can access all the other options, but we will go to those options later on. First of all, let's see how I changed the photo here. Okay, so when you are on the photo, just click on it and you will see this handle. Click on it, and inside the style, from here you can choose the photo that you want here. Okay, since I already have one, but when you choose a photo, choose select and then click on insert media, it will appear here. For the title, simply just click here, edit, and on the left hand side just enter the information you want to enter. See here, and same goes for this one. This is an H1 title, this was just an H3. I'll make it H2, and same goes for the description. Click on this pencil icon, and in left side you can enter the information. Now hit update. Once you enter that, done. Now I need to get rid of some of the things from the header. I don't want these things to appear in the header, so let's click on edit header, and here you can see our logo is appearing. Okay, so I need to get rid of some of the things from the header. Here you can see it has its own pencil icon. Click on it, and in the left hand side we have the menu, and we can get rid of the menu by clicking on menu strips. Here we see this is menu 1, and I don't want menu to appear in the header section. And then we can also get rid of gallery from the header section, and I just want these three things: home, about, and contact us. Let's hit save menu. While we are in the backend, we should get 2 plugins right now. I actually already have those plugins installed, but I haven't activated them. So those 2 plugins are Smush and Yoast SEO. I'll activate Yoast SEO once my website is ready, but for Smush we can activate it right now. Smush makes your websites load faster by compressing the images you have on the website. Let's now go back to our home page and see what else we need to get rid of. Let's get rid of this as well. Simply hit delete, and this will go, and see how our website looks like. So this is what it looks like now. We got rid of the extra items from the header menu. We got rid of the make reservation menu, and now this is a pop-up which can be customized. And for that, if I go to edit with Elementor, just click on discount pop-up, and we can get rid of some of the things that we don't need from here and add what we need to add. This is basically a photo which can be changed from here. I have the photos which I can upload. Let's add this one. Like always, let's give this alt tag insert photo. See, it is appearing very well. We can always change its margin. So for that I need to go to advanced, and let's unlock this, and from bottom I can go 25 pixels up, and from left we can go or maybe minus 25. Okay, this looks good. Now if you want to decrease or increase the discount, you can do that from here. I'll give 10% off and on all items. So this is what you see is what you get kind of editor. Now I can also get rid of these images because they are not relevant. Do that by clicking here. Done. So this text can be edited and I'll do that later on. And for learn more, you can give the URL where you want to send people to order this. That's it. Alright, here you can see 10% off, learn more. And if you don't want this pop-up, you can always get rid of it by clicking here. That's it. So discount pop-up is gone. So for the story of our restaurant, we can edit this page. From here we can add Sharma Food Corner and we can decrease the font size so that it appears in one line. If it is 45, we can change it to 30 or 35 maybe. Yeah, 35 would be good. That's it. And now this can be changed later on when I add the section here, information. Now this image we need to change. Choose image, insert media. Looks fine to me. Now I need to get rid of the footer section, so let's do that now. Let's click on footer and get rid of the stuff that I don't need and update my information. Okay, here is the information. Facebook, Instagram, those things can be added later on, but the main part is Monday to Sunday timing. Okay, we also need to change the phone number here, so it's gonna be okay. So now we have our header ready, our footer ready, and some of the content on the home page ready. We can go and check how it looks like on the front end. Okay, home, about, contact us, Sharma Food Corner, famous kulchas, the story of Sharma Food Corner, and then this pop-up is also coming. Here is the story of Food Corner, the weekly newsletter. Everything looks good for now. We can continue working on this website. Mainly we are able to edit the pre-built templates. If you are in a hurry, you can always go ahead with pre-built templates or simply start from scratch. There is option of that as well, and in upcoming videos I'll show you that. I have just used this pre-built to show you how it works. I am going to work on Sharma Food Corner and I will have a standalone website, and it will be done using Elementor from scratch, so you can take a look at that as well. But right now you got the idea how to get your WordPress website ready with the Elementor Pro using Elementor Cloud website. So now when these people will contact you, you will get an email, and that email has to be valid email. So put your email address here. This is where you will get the notification about the people who contact you. So make sure this email that you supply is the right email. You can add multiple emails. I'm going to add one more and hit update. This is the subject line which will appear in the inbox when you get a notification from your website through email. And now let's change the map location, and for that let's click on this icon, and here is the location information. Let's copy this information and enter here. Okay, our map is here. Now if I have to add more pages, I can do that by clicking on new, and here is the post, and this is where is the page. You can create as many posts and pages as you want, but for now I'm good. I have the store information, the hours, the logo, all of that information is here now. In upcoming videos I'll be making more changes to this website, and I'll be adding a custom domain as well, so do keep an eye on those videos. But for now, if you want to learn how to add custom domain, for that you need to click on manage this website, and then you will find the information that you need to add. Here are the only details you need from here: DNS records, a record, and CNAME. These are the two values you will be provided, and these two values can be used inside your domain registrar. I suggest you to go ahead with Namecheap. Namecheap offers you domain privacy, so I recommend you go ahead and choose Namecheap for registering your domain name. And when you have the domain name ready, just go to the DNS part of the domain and enter these two things, a record and CNAME, and you will be able to add custom domain. Just need to click here, and these are the two values. Okay, here you will be entering your domain name and then click add. I'll be covering that in a separate video, but this was just to give you the overview. And for backups, this is where the schedule is. Now as for the pin, you can also reset pin from here. As I told you earlier, if somebody has to visit your website, they need a pin. Here you can see this is the website, but nobody can access it because they don't have the pin. If I supply the pin here, let's copy this and enter, I'll be able to view here. This is what the website looks like. Looks good already. We have to do plenty of changes here still, but right now it is looking good. I need to add menu in a next video. So if you have any questions, let me know in comment section, and go ahead with Elementor's cloud website. It is good. It is offering you everything. You have the SSL certificate already installed here, and you have pre-built templates that you can edit and a lot of other things. So do check that out, and you will be able to create your website from scratch within hours. And I'm always available through YouTube. You can contact me and I'll answer all your questions. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye bye.